Okay, today our once a month lunch with my titas at Artisana, Araulio Street. And today I am wearing a long dress for a change. I used to wear long dresses while going around with sari, so I'm going back to my long dresses. Image makeover, or back to wearing. Para naman babaeng babae. Okay, until later. No. Pasok nga na. Okay. There's Lina and Tita Ramona.
Hi. Hello, Lynn. I like your outfit.
Hola.
Hola, ¿qué tal? I like your outfit.
Thank you for a change. Back to wearing long dresses. Hopefully short dresses. Pool. Pool.
Hola, Bong.
Hola. Hola. Here, Tita Bong, here.
I reserved that because I want to see
Oh, yeah, of course you can.
Sabi ko,
Hi.
Hindi daw siya sa kanto, sa gitna siya.
no, it doesn't matter. Sabi ko rin, but before you used to wear like,
Yeah.
remember when we used to go to Tita Bell? Tayong dalawa naka, bakit ayaw mo na?
Here.
Hi, Jo. I like your blouse.
Hi, Tita Josie.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Anong tawag dito?
Ukoy.
Ukoy. Shrimp ukoy.
With kalabasa.
With calabasa.
Dito baka may
Sea bass. Sea bass ano?
Sibas alcohol.
Alahor, whatever. Looks good.
Ikaw na maghati dyan.
Fresh lumpia.
Jo.
Ang laki ng fresh lumpia.
Hindi ko marunong.
Just
Parang KBL po. May tuna belly pa tayo, ma'am. Tuna belly.
Really?
naman pala.
Pata slice. Ang ganda ng presentation. Oh, so ito sabaw nun. Okay. Tuna belly.
Okay na po lahat. Ito na yung huling order ko.
Okay.
Salamat.
Tuna belly.
anak ni Brakay.
Napansin ko is,
Tortang talon. What's that? Yeah, okay. So we're having merienda at Tita Bong's. This is Tita Betsy's house and Mama Lily's portrait. And this is Tita Bong's house. So there. Let's go and see them. They're inside. Ayan. Here we are.
17 years old naman.
Yoo-hoo.
Oh, yun. 17 years old ako. Inansapan sa
There's Tita Bong.
Yan, I see. Tapos nagkabot ako sa kanya.
Tingnan question ka niya.
Wala pang dementia. It was more on mga gamot, mga...
Magaling yun siya.
Magna cum laude na eh.
Mila.
Ito pala pinuntahan niya siya.
Sa Alexa.
No, alam mo bakit